Welcome to a new vlog. It's a new vlog. It's a September vlog. We're here. Hey girl, hey. Just a small town girl.
Living in a
Lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy. It is 9:30. Gotta lug this suitcase down the stairs all by myself because he must have forgot that I'm in my soft girl era. We are heading to O-Town. I'm a strong, independent black woman. Hey, friend. We made it to the Airbnb. We are in the middle of, I believe, nowhere. I don't know. This is how horror movies start, but the drive up here was really scary. Like a long, winding road in the middle of the night. Nonetheless, we're here. I'll do the tour tomorrow in the daylight. So I changed into my pajamas. Everybody else is in their pajamas, and they're playing video games and having a ball. Jarrett is lounging. He is resting because he had a doozy of a drive.
So
That don't mean nothing.
there was a being
Comes like
because and art, and they wanted so bad to do.
you ain't gotta tell me twice.
Okay.
Where's Rob? Where's Rob?
Rob. Did he go
He went to the
He probably went to the
Why you got to do something now? Come on.
Toast to Shauna. Happy birthday, Shauna. Yay! All right.
There we go.
Okay.
Good morning. Happy Saturday. Ooh. It's a lovely day. The birds are chirping. The people are outside, honey. This is outside. Please excuse the dirty windows. I can't do anything about that. I think this is like an Airbnb community. Just a community of houses with pools. But hey, I'm cool. I'm down for it. So we're here. We just got up about 30 minutes to an hour ago. Jared's in the shower. I have gotten myself ready, put on my smells, put my wig on, and I have on my house dress. I figured we weren't going to be doing anything that was worthy of clothing. We went to bed at like 3 o'clock in the morning. We got here at 1 o'clock in the morning and we went to bed at like 3. We was hanging out. I was falling asleep sitting up. I was so tired. I'm not a late night person no more. We took one shot and that's it. So today apparently is a turn up day. Lots of drinking, lots of fun, stuff like that. So I made sure to get myself together. I woke up with a really mean headache, so I need to take myself some Pamprin and my vitamins so that we can be ready. But it's gonna be a good time. I love this wig. I love this wig so much. Everybody's in the game room, which is right outside our room, so they're playing video games and stuff right now. So they're playing their games and stuff, and then I think they're gonna go downstairs and like turn up and have fun and do fun things and enjoy their fun selves. But yeah, that's about it. So come with me, shall you? I finally got the camera fixed. We're vlogging on the Digi Osmo, baby. Let's have a good relaxing weekend. We need this because next weekend is a funeral. Not a relaxing weekend next weekend. See you soon. Bands will make her dance. All these chicks popping. I'm just popping band. What? That's what the song says. That's what they said. I don't make the rules. That damn rap music.
Damn MTV.
MTV, VH1, ABC, all this shit just bad for these. All this shit. My stripper name would absolutely be Nefertiti. Like, it's a universal name. And then my night. Ooh, you smell. What is this? I know people talk about Bath and Body Works, and I was one of them. But let me tell y'all something. They be getting you right with the lotions. I can't let it go. Like, my high school self was devoted to them, and she still is. My adult self says that my high school self was right, and the men's stuff is hitting. Y'all really sleep on it, and I don't know if you guys just want to just follow the crowd or whatever. But like, please put some respect on Bath and Body Works' name, at least when it comes to the lotions. How does the song go? There's a croc. There's an alligator?
He was right. Okay, well now he's hiding. But yeah, he's just going up there. I thought that was the air
Jared's cooking some bacon. We having some breakfast. I made the eggs. Super great.
Is that everybody put their shoes on, but I just never took them off.
I'm gonna go change and put on my bathing suit. My sinuses are kicking my ass. So we're going into the pool. Don't this look like a belly? Right here. I feel like belly. Keisha. First of all, the lighting in this place, fantastic. I'm wearing my brand new Torrid swimsuit that was gifted to me by the Torrid people because I'm a Torrid ambassador. And I'm not even gonna hold you, their swimsuits are perfect for family fun day mom activities. I'm gonna change into my swimsuit. Be right back. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't. I'm gonna keep the wig on, and we're just gonna put a hair tie and put an updo, cause don't play with me. She's so cute. Let me show you the cover up that we're about to do. So this is, don't play with me. Don't play with it. Come on. I don't know why I put so much effort into things like this. I think it just makes me happy. Okay, so that's what we're doing to go to the pool. Simple as that. See you soon. There's an alligator. No, I'm saying I can't see, period. Okay. When I look back at this footage, I'm sure I will see it, but he's somewhere out there. I don't have my glasses on. There's an alligator. Let me go yell at Jared!
I'm average. You're not.
Neff is tallest.
I'm the tallest, the oldest. It's just, the biggest. It works. I'm 5'7". Hello, Mr. Alligator. They just so if you guys, for those of you who follow me, I live in Florida. This is normal. Don't freak out. We just have alligators. I don't want to drop my camera after I just fixed it. But alligators, they're great. I'm going to eat breakfast. Poolside, because I'm fancy like that.
Oh, you're from
Yeah.
I need you to cut it.
And Miami was quite.
And you guys can't be out there. I'm not trying to get
When I was
it.
in New York, when I was growing up in Flatbush, I was growing up in Flatbush in the 90s.
There's red to look up.
So it was loud.
What did he
or
ask?
like somebody outside.
Yeah, I don't know what he said.
Okay.
It was like a whole
He's like,
thing.
including my-
I get to Miami was a lot quieter. It was covered. But even then, it was still. I'm old, y'all. I took a nap, and I'm not ashamed to say it. I was so tired. I had like Sunny D's and boozy ices and White Claws. Oh my God. It's about to be 9 o'clock. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to this bar tonight. Don't feel up to it. I have to put my wig on. And I had it hanging in the closet so it can dry. I did my skincare. So my skin is clean. And I'm not putting on any makeup because I don't want to. Jarrett brought up some of the nuggets that they made. They made dino nuggets and fries, child. I had me a nice little quick girl dinner, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to socialize right now, see if I can get myself like up so I can go out, but I just don't feel like being out. I'm whispering because they're literally on the other side of the store playing a game. But I don't want to be like a party pooper, so I'm trying to stay like, oh yeah, let's go out. We're gonna turn up. It's gonna be great. But also, low-key just want to be in this bed and be on TikTok.
Take me to the promised land, Bill.
Good morning. Today is Sunday. Time is now 12:38. We're just now getting ourselves ready to leave the room to go and have lunch. Aunt Brenda's here and she has made chicken wings and we're not sure what else we're smelling, but hot wings. Oh, she's making us breakfast and then she's making us hot wings? Okay. Either way, she's cooking and Aunt Brenda's cooking is always fire. We're heading downstairs. We did not go to bed until 3 o'clock in the morning this morning because we had gotten back from the bar from like 2 o'clock. It was a nice time. You saw the footage. So now we're getting ready for breakfast and hanging out with everybody. I'm not putting my wig on. I'm just gonna wear my head wrap and call it a day. I think we're gonna end up having like a day at the pool. And that we leave tomorrow to head to Palm Beach to pick up a Benny, and then we are going to Jarrett's mom's house tomorrow so that we can cake and ice cream for damn near the entire family, because we hadn't done our cake and ice cream celebration. So I got a decent night's sleep. I feel good. So we're about to head downstairs now.
Yeah, like two. What was in there? Like juice, tequila.
I had a couple of sips from Shauna. Thank you for that, though.
Like the true people we are, we ate breakfast and now we're taking a nap. Ah! Disappear behind my shoulder. Anyway, we might go to the pool after this. It's literally like 12 something o'clock in the afternoon. Aunt Brenda's cooking usually puts me to sleep, so we're gonna take us a good nappy nap. It's vacation, so turn up. Pool time. Garrett and I decided we're going to the pool. Everyone's upstairs playing games, but it's
Mango chili. Whoa.
whoa. I don't know what they have. A lot of these like hard seltzer drinks, and they're not bad. They're like wine for adults. It gives you a lot of like wine vibes.
1, 2, ready, sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shauna. Happy birthday to you.
Another one.
Can I get a hand?
Oh God! All night, last night, all of last.
Another one.
They are all.
Act like you have practice.
Go! Let's go, round 3! Let's go! I think this has smoke detectors. It's
It's not gonna stop, guys. This is a trick candle.
Why is it still coming back?
They're trick candles.
Oh my god.
It's going to melt.
Coming back.
It's trick candles.
Come on, son, you got it. You got this.
Blow harder, Shauna. Morning. I'm kidding. It's midnight. We played some video games. We had conversations. We talked about very serious topics. We had a good time. I know my edges are going to be pulled out if I keep wearing this wig, so I gotta stop wearing this baby because my head's too big for these headbands wigs. Anyway, look what I've done to her. Look what I have done to her. And I thought I was treating her right, but look what I have done to her. It's giving rat's nest. We had a great day at the pool. We slept all day today. The reason I'm tired, I have no idea why. I have no idea how I'm still like tired. You know, because I slept for 3.5 hours. If I say it like 3 more times, it'll be like real. Oh, here he comes. I could have been naked.
That's why I checked.
I would have had titties
Stick
out.
my hand in the door.
I wouldn't have even seen you. So we're back home. We got the beans, and there she goes. So she's slaying. We're on our way to pick up her birthday cake. Yes, I know. Her birthday was in June. We are doing cake and ice cream for her, cake and ice cream for Jared's brother, cake and ice cream for Jared's sister, cake and ice cream for everybody. So
Again, we're gonna have to do cake and ice cream for
Jared's nephew, who just turned 1. So it's just gonna be, you know, that kind of day.
When is his birthday?
So we're on our way to go to Publix, pick up this cake. Thank you. You too. It's very pink. It's not as purple as it was last year. Then we don't need to get ice cream at all. They already have ice cream. We're done. We don't have to get ice cream. Miss Barbara don't. Miss Barbara already has ice cream. She has 2 cookies and cream. So we're just gonna get the cake and the candles. Oh, and we're gonna get plates. Hello. Hello, hello. Betty, you sit over there. You know that's my spot. I don't know what you're doing. She know better. Plates.
Plates, thank you.
Where's my...
I know. That's why I didn't get the
Everybody.
like the quarter sheet because I'm gonna get the cake. So we have to go
When is Lamar's birthday?
Lamar is 9, Boogie is 8.
Ben. Up from that seat. Sit over here. Oh! Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's the best song ever.
We didn't have no entertainment. Who's just there behind?
Oh yeah, all 3 of y'all stand behind your cakes.
Oh, yeah.
Be kind.
Supposed to be in
Okay.
Supposed to be in order though.
Hi.
It's over.
Congratulations. Yeah, great.
No, it's not your birthday.
What you doing? You kind of early, ain't you, sir?
Oh, you better sing it how they did in Atlanta. How the pastor
Oh man, I'm
sang
taking
it.
remixing stuff. He's singing by himself. We don't know.
Y'all say cheese.
Cheese.
Alrighty.
There we go.
There we go.
I know, right?
Wait, somebody get the baby birthday.
He early, isn't he? He real early.
Oh, y'all gonna hold the babies?
Who got a lighter?
Alright, let's put it in.
We got
Patrick.
Murray.
Come up here.
Does it make you feel better?
I thought it was a fan. Like, no.
No. It's a camera for content.
Oh, boy.
All right, that 29 about to fall.
Yeah, I was gonna say, hey, under that light.
All right, come on.
All right, let's do this.
Who's going first?
Benny first.
Benny's first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't do that. I'm tired.
Oh, my bad. I busted.
All right, one come out. Hey, give me a good.
Go this way.
Happy birthday to you.
Next.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hey.
All right.
All right.
Who's next?
The worst birthday ever.
Happy birthday to you. Happy What is happening? The worst birthday ever.
We're gonna need a moving out cake.
Good morning, happy Tuesday, September 5th, 8:42. We are going to the gym. I have not been able to go back to the gym for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks because of this PCOS period that I was having. She be painful, bruh. Ain't no Ain't no workout could save me. It was that bad. I had to be in that bed. So we're back. I look crazy. I need to put something on my head so I can work out at the People Dem gym. I was a little derailed this morning because I had to charge my watch. I don't like working out without my Apple Watch. I like, you know, being able to like show off and like tell people like, yeah, I worked out today. I closed on my rings today. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a thing. Like, is your workout even a workout if you don't have your watch on? But of course, I charged all my devices and forgot to charge my Apple Watch. So I made sure to do that. It has enough juice for a full workout, so we're good. I don't know if I'm gonna go too hard just because it's my first day back, but I'm doing something. That's what I do know. So if it's 30 minutes or an hour and a half, we'll see. I hope you guys are having a great week though. Whenever you decide to watch this, I hope the week is like kicking ass and you're just loving it. And you're making lemons. No, you're making lemonade out of your lemons is really what I wanted to say. I'm at the thingy and I'm dying. Don't skip the gym. I take everything I said back. I'm lucky if I make it 30 minutes here today. There's no weights. There's no weights on this. I have no weights on this. Fuck. Okay, we're gonna do this now. Pray for me. I did leg day today. I actually did a full workout. I didn't do the Stairmaster after. I stopped doing Stairmaster after leg day because what is the point of killing yourself? You know, I feel good. I'm going home, I'm gonna drink my smoothie, and we're gonna edit. I'm learning anything is possible with babies now. Oh my God, they're having a baby. I'm so happy. And then I decided to get on the thing, the leg press, but not the one that I lay back on, the one where you sit down on, the seated leg press. Praying to have just a very simple day. I don't feel like I did too much, but I do feel like I did a lot. And you know, we'll see. All right, I look insane, but it's Wednesday, September 6th, 4:19 p.m. I haven't packed. I haven't done anything. I need to get myself together because we leave tomorrow afternoon at 12. So it is time. I spent most of the morning and afternoon editing. I got my video up and out. The other video, the vlog, which I hope is up and already seen by you, is halfway done, which is a Benny's Orlando birthday vlog. I'm trying to get that completed today so that we're ready to go. So now the next video I'm working on is the Beyonce makeup that I did for the whatchamacallit. Benny is on her way home for school. She doesn't get home for about an hour and a half, so I won't be seeing her until 6 o'clock. So with that said, I'm going to go finish the laundry and finish packing for the 5th time this summer. It's a lot of traveling, I have to say. And I have to tell y'all, a little tired. Just a little tired. Good morning. It's 10 o'clock. We are on our way to the airport. We have a flight to catch today. We are going to Jersey for family stuff, and we are here with my mommy.
Stay in the left 2 lanes.
It's my mommy. Jared's dropping us off. So we're heading to the airport now. Our flight's at 12:15, and we're heading to the airport to check in and everything and check our bags. Let's do it. welcome to the room. We made it. We're here until Sunday, the 10th. Nothing to see here. Regular hotel room. We are going to a steakhouse. We are going to Steak 38 in Cherry Hills, like 30 minutes away from where we are. I already knew how my mom is, so I packed the outfit just so I wasn't gonna be looking crazy. Like, we're not here for the best of reasons, but at least my mom and I, we don't spend a lot of time together, so I know that's why we're doing this now. This is those moments when I wish I had like skin tint, because I could just do a quick, cute little 5-minute look, you know? And I think I could, even without skin tint, I think I could pull off a cute 5-minute look. So we'll see. I'm gonna wash my face and do everything when I get in there and see what I can pull off, because I think I can do like a moment. I think I can rock that. I brought my wig cap. I have an extra wig cap. I have my mirror, which needs charging, so I'm probably gonna put my mirror on the charger right now. I don't have lashes. I need that. But outside of that, we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick makeup look.
Primer. It's so pretty. I mainly apply this in the center of my face. I have an even base to do the rest. I'm gonna add a tinted moisturizer. I have oily skin, so I tend to skip my forehead, take whatever's left over, and just kind of go over it. Even looking shiny. I'm sorry, a 5-minute face is not gonna be matte, and somebody needs to hear this. And if I want to consider, this is actually from the Sephora collection in the shade.
So foundation, someone tell me why this happened, please, in the comments, because all over my bottle. I think because it was just like thrown into the bag, it might have just done that. I don't know, but y'all let me know what I could do to avoid that, because that's an expensive foundation and we don't want. Oh, the bottle is open. The bottle twisted open a little bit there. Vibes. Just vibes. Simple. I got bronzer on my eyes. I didn't even do any cleaning up of the eyebrows. I have regular face, regular eyebrows. Basically, this is my face. It looks like I have lip gloss on. And I just naturally woke up like this. And that's just what I do. So we're on our way to 38 Grill Cherry Hill, something like that. Grill 38, Steak 38, something like that. In Cherry Hill for dinner. We're on our way to dinner. So you can bring Sassy and Go-Go.
So big in Sassy and Go-Go.
You want to fly with Sassy and Go-Go? No, I don't think. Drive 21 hours with Sassy and Go-Go? I don't know, bro. I made a reservation. It had like this high price point, but I don't know, y'all.
Well, in terms of high price point, every place has a nice price point.
That could be that. But I see the nice cars and the thing give me hope. Oh. Okay. Hello. Yes, for a reservation, I believe. Thank you.
No problem at all. Your server will be key. Give it 1 moment. He'll be right back.
Excellent. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. It's like a speakeasy. Huh? It's like a speakeasy. I was scared. I was a little scared. It's really dark in here. I was really scared. I thought this place was like not gonna be what it was supposed to be, but it's nice.
Leaning towards the French martini. Trip my food too.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Take us out of the way.
See, because I'm greedy.
It's all right when it comes to food.
Maybe we need an extra table.
Thank you so much.
Please enjoy your dinner.
Oh, we absolutely will. We will. Thank you. You're sharing this with me. I'm not doing all this by myself. Yay!
That is
mommy.
an awesome look. You know what I wish I had time to do this trip? Go to that was fun.
Good morning. It's Saturday. Nope, it's not. Today is Friday. It's 8:25 in the morning. We are going downstairs for free breakfast. The funeral that we are here for is at 10, so we're going to get some free breakfast and then we're going to get ready for the funeral. Stay doing it. We have 15 minutes to get ready. Good morning, afternoon. It is Saturday, 12:27. We're on our way to my cousin's house to hang out for a little bit for the day. So come with us, shall we? Mommy's outfit, she looks super cute. I didn't want to wear my wig, so I put on my bandana. This is what I got on. Also cute. Don't play with me. See y'all soon. This is always be happening. Whenever sad shit happens.
She went to her mom probably, right? You don't hate you. They're good friends. Her dad went to, but he keeps shopping because they're so expensive.
Coco, my girl. Definitely my girl. Yep.
That's her father.
That's her dad, yeah. Back when
Look at that crazy. I know that's my security. Don't get all up on the Come on.
her mom and dad, I don't know.
She said, period. Woo, child. We're back home. I didn't finish vlogging Philly, Jersey, because we had to go to my cousin's house after the funeral and hang out. And then there was a lot of sleeping. There was a lot of stuff. So we're back home now. I am going to edit videos and get myself ready for work tomorrow because I start work tomorrow, girl. Good morning. Hey, friend. We have a beach day today and the family is coming. The beach day is actually a science project day. So we're heading to Bahia Mar. And today is Saturday, September 30th. So we're headed to the beach. We've had a lot happen in the last few weeks, so sorry. Hot boy? Who is hot? This is where the first beach day was. The first group beach outing. Yep. We're at the beach. We lost the first steak, so we put another one in at 10:46, but we're gonna say that was at 10:32, and then we are going to. So the operation is we have to measure the tide as it goes lower. So we start from high tide and we go down to low tide. So I'm watching it so that people don't trip over the steak and it doesn't get messed up. And, you know, hopefully the water doesn't get, from what I can see, we're not too close to the high tide, but you never know. You never know. So I'm sitting right across from it because it's gonna get buried as the water washes up. That's what's happening in our neck of the woods. Back to you, Todd. And then we're also fighting against the elements, as we see here. Clouds are coming in. The sun is getting blocked. So it's a Florida day. That's just what happens. There goes the steak. It's now 12:30. The tide is getting lower. Every hour on the hour, we measure. We're just chilling like a villain.
Oh, penicillin.
Hey! And the sun is out. It's a beautiful day. Oh, today's scent of... Go ahead.
Today's scent of the day is Versace Man Eau Fraiche.
Alright, so... Should have never gave these niggas money, you know what I'm saying? Give somebody a platform.
Sex symbol now.
Yeah, okay.
Like this. This time I'm taking my face. Little belly.
What is happening? Why? Benny is dying. Yo, what is happening? Bruh. 132. Look. Hey. In front of that one. Yeah? Okay.
Here we go.
Girl, your mother welcome to. So,
I just like this part where they be like, bye, bye, bye.
I just want to tell you that
We had enough, damn it.
I wanna be a fool in this game for two.
That's CG and it's bad.
That's a CD. If you didn't know.
CD. Yeah, I know.